guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina Zarina. I know it's been a while since the last time I uploaded, but I am trying to get back here and there again, and this time is going to be my April Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm gonna let you know all about it. And it's quite exciting because Boxycharm did change their their pricing, and before it was $19 a month, and now you're getting it you're getting 5 full-size items for $25, and that is such an amazing deal. And these are all like high-end products, so I'm so excited to show you guys what I got here. Also, I want to use my platform really quickly to please send a message out there to stay inside. I am an essential worker, so I do see a lot of the people that are still not understanding the seriousness of this issue that's going on right now, the COVID-19 virus. And it's really crazy how people are so neglectful of other people's health. And I hope that you guys are staying inside, and I hope that you guys are, safe, and your families are safe as well. So I am praying for everyone, and I hope this thing is gonna be over soon. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into the box. All right, so with every Boxycharm, you do get this little thing here. This one is a little pamphlet for the theme for the month of April, and it's festival vibes. And I know we are not getting Coachella, but I do have my Coachella makeup just in case. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so the first thing in here is the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Face Primer, and this is an all-time favorite of mine. So this is what it looks like. This is, again, full-size item, and it is $32. As soon as you apply this, you get a nice canvas, and when you apply your foundation, you just get that beautiful, awesome skin. So this is what I have on. And as you can see, it looks flawless. Again, that's $32 for this thing. And then my favorite is this Zoeva palette. So this is the caramel. I don't know how to say that word right there. But yeah, so once you open it, you get these nice warm brown tones. And I did use 3 shades in here. I did use this one, this shade right here, and this shade right here. And these are like really nice. They do have fallouts in them, but they are so pigmented, and you only need to tap a little bit of it. So they're so really nice. So right there. Also, guys, if you would like to see me more, you can actually follow me on Instagram. That's like my main social media platform right now, so you can follow me there, and I'll update you guys. Why not? All right, so this one is $28, and again, that is a full palette, which $28 is already like basically the price of the full box right there. So that's awesome, and it's so buttery, and it's so blendable, so I love it. All right, so the next product in here that I am super excited is the Iconic London Illuminator. And you guys have heard a lot about this, I'm pretty sure, because this is no stranger to the beauty community. Everybody loves this thing. So this is a liquid highlighter, and you can basically mix this with your foundation if you'd like, or you can just put it like how I did it. Like, I just put a little bit of dab in there on my cheekbones, and then I applied this, and look how beautiful it illuminates on my skin. So yeah, right there, that it's giving me a beautiful glow right now, so that's awesome. And this one is $41, and this is the original one. I know they came out with different shades, but this is $41 for this one. Another one that I am so excited about are these new brushes. I love getting new brushes. And this one is the Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection. So as you can see, I did use them already, so I apologize, but they are actually really nice. The way they applied, they're really nice. Alright, so this one cost $29 for the set. And then the last one in here that I really love as well is the Illuminati Cosmetics Gel Paint Duo in Electric Pink and Blue. So that's what you're seeing right now, that pink eyeliner right there and the blue down there. This is what this is right here. They are so pigmented, guys. Like, I am not even kidding you. Like, they're so, like, I've never seen anything like this before, and they glide on so smoothly. So right there, those are the two liners. And again, I've never seen anything such true to color when you apply, and I don't have any problems with them, like, you know, flaking or anything right now. So yeah, they're really, really nice, and I just love the way this whole look came about. So this one costs $42 for the two eyeliners. So yeah, all in all, I love the April Boxycharm, and the price of this whole thing that I got is $172.99. So that's a big bang for your buck. So if you guys are interested, I will put the link down below. Just click it. It is not an affiliate code. The box I did get as an affiliate, but that's it. I'm not getting anything else if you subscribe through that link. It's just directly through Boxycharm website. So go ahead and click on it. And yeah, I will see you guys again in my next video. Please don't forget to like and also comment and let me know what you guys think. Also subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet. I will see you guys in my next one. I love you all. Bye.